Okay, so I guess I'm live and I received a notification as well. I don't know how many people are watching this. Let me just verify. Okay, so five people are watching. Am I live? Yes, I'm live and I can see myself on the screen. And I don't even know how many people got notified about this. And my sound is proper, so let me just remove my headphones. And I was just testing my voice there. It's coming good. I'm not using my Yati today. I'm using a different mic just to check everything is working. Great. So people are sending a lot of messages. That's great, everyone. So first of all, welcome everyone to the Discord Learning, and let's see. So, okay, today we have a topic which is a bit different, not exactly the topic which. So, we'll be doing some questions answers, but then today I'm going live, not for much time, probably for 15, 20 minutes max. Uh, I have so many things lined up today, so I was a bit busy, but then I thought, okay, today is Sunday, so we should be going live. So may not be for much time. Let's spend 15, 20 minutes max. So today's topic will start with the topic itself, and the topic is Mumbai meetups. And finally, it's here. We are going for a meetup. Now, normally what happens is, normally I wanted to go for a meetup when we have, having a seminar kind of things. Somewhere a good place where I can book a room where when people can come for the seminar, I can talk about different stuff in the technology and something from your side just to have a professional meetup. But then I thought let's start with a casual meetup. So this will be a very casual meetup where we'll all meet. If it is possible for you, because the thing is, the meetup will be tomorrow in Mumbai. It will be specific New Mumbai, which is Vashi station. Uh, okay, now the thing is, it is Monday tomorrow, so of course people will be busy for sure. They will be busy with the office work. Some people will be busy with the, uh, with the office work, and some people will be busy in the colleges. So that's where I know I should have kept it in the weekends. But then tomorrow I'm going to a college in New Mumbai, so I thought, okay, let's have a meetup there. So I'm going to Kharghar for a seminar, and then after that I'll be available. So I thought, okay, let's have a meetup. So it will be at Vasi Station. I don't know how many people are. So if you're in Mumbai, so you might be knowing about Vasi Station, right? It's an awesome station. So just outside the station, if you come, so around platform number one, so it is somewhere near around Ragulila Mall. So we have a good space there next to station where we can meet. I don't know how many people will be coming. One, two. So I don't know. Let's hope for the best. So even if one person come, that's fine with me. Okay, so we can have a meetup there. And some people are saying lag. Is it lagging? I don't know. Let me know if it is lagging there. Or should I change my Wi-Fi network? Uh, is it lagging, everyone? No. Okay. So yeah, it seems good. It seems good. Okay, so that's about Meetup. So again, once again, the timing. So you can see the description area where I mentioned the timing. So it will be around 2 p.m. So I cannot be confirmed about 2 p.m. It can be 1:45. It can be 2. It can be 2:15 because I'm going to a seminar. And when I take seminar, I'm not sure about the timing. Never. So that's the thing. The timing is not confirmed. But yes, 1:45, 2 or 2:15. This is the around time I will be there. So yeah, that's great. So that's one thing. That's one announcement. I can see 93 people are watching this, and so come on, guys, like click on like button if you enjoy these type of sessions. Yeah, so that's about the meetup. So let me know your thoughts about meetup. If you are in Mumbai, are you available for? I mean, are you available to join me there, or something like that? So the location is Vasi Station. Just see the description area. That in the description you have the meetup location and the timing as well. Uh, okay, so change the time. The thing is, I will be available. So the thing is, I will be getting free by 1 p.m. from Kharghar. So it will take approximately half an hour to come from Kharghar to Vashi. So that's what I'm planning now. So let me know your timing so that I can, okay, now how will you coordinate with me on Vashi? That's a good question. If you reach there, how will you contact me? So what I will do is once I reach there, once I reach at Vashi station, I will share my location, the GPS location, or my location on Facebook page. That should be a good point, right? So I will share my location at Facebook page, or I will upload a photo where I'm standing, so you can join me there. Yeah. Uh, okay. So that's announcement, and let's go for some questions. Since we only have 15 minutes to go, so let's get started. Okay. So there's so many questions on the way. Okay, so which thing to learn for front-end developers? Okay, for front-end, I would say the best one is go for JavaScript. JavaScript is used to create those interactive pages. You have to be good with HTML, CSS. There's so many things, they're not difficult, but then there's so many things to learn. First of all, I'm not that good with front-end technologies for a very specific reason. I feel front-end technology are for those people who are creative. So if you are creative in nature, I would say go for front end. I love back end because I'm not that creative, but I feel I'm good with logics. So if you are good with logic, the best thing would be go for front end, go for back end, the back end development. And if you are good with creativity, it's not just about making a page. It's also about where to have that image. And if you put an image on the page, what should be the background color? Where should we have a button? So it's all about creativity. How about knowing about color combinations? So there's so many things. I'm not saying it is impossible or difficult. It's just that you need that mindset to work on it. Some people can learn it, but then I never went into that zone of front end. But I would say if you are good with creativity, if you think you can design something good, uh, okay, it's not also about UI. It's also about UX. It's about when a user comes to your website or a web page or to another application, how comfortable they feel to use your application. It should be very intuitive. So that's how you do it. So still, if you talk about technologies, I would say go for CSS, HTML, JavaScript. jQuery is not. I guess to be very specific on front end, you can use AngularJS. We have Vue.js. We have React.js. There's so many things. Okay. So the is question. You have question answered. I'll be uploading a video today. Let's see. So what are the situation after getting a job in freshers? Getting a job. So after getting a job, company will be giving you trainings as a corporate trainer. When I go to training, so what they do? So they hire people and trainers like me. We train them because what you learn in colleges is not up to the mark. What you learn is the basics. In the industry, you have something new. So it is our responsibility to train you on those technologies. So that's what you get on when you join a company. Not every company provides training. Some companies don't do training. They want you to learn, so they will provide you some access to their internal website where they have all the resources available, so you can learn from there. It's all depend upon the companies. Okay, so some school champion says, is YouTube your full-time job? No, as of now, YouTube is not my full-time job, but I'm planning to make my YouTube as my full-time thing because I want to educate as many people as possible. That's why I'm uploading all those videos. If you can see on the channel, I started with 3 series now, which is data structures, server JSP, and core Java. So everything is available for free. I'm not able to figure out how can I generate revenue from that so that I can invest in myself and then the gadgets which I'm using. The internet connection also needs some charges, right? The light takes some charge. So yes, I'm planning to go to YouTube full time, but I'm just struggling with the revenue model here. I was planning to make videos which I can sell on some platforms like Udemy or on my own website. But somewhere I don't feel comfortable selling things because not everyone can buy things. So that's the thing. Uh, okay, some people are getting. So Tushar says some people are getting job in fake experience. That's right. Some people are going for job with fake experience. If even I have got some inquiry online on my emails on Facebook, they were asking they are not getting job. Is it good to have a fake experience? Okay, you can get a job using fake experience. That's not a big deal. But then the only thing is, if you are joining a company by giving a fake experience, they will expect that you have experience and you will be ready to work on a project on day one. And that is where you will struggle because you don't have a practical experience and then you're giving a fake experience. You will struggle. You will struggle in completing your project. You may struggle. Okay, I'm not sure you will struggle, but then you may struggle in completing your project. You may struggle in getting a good hike because you cannot perform well, right? You may not perform well if you don't have experience. So there are so many consequences of giving a fake experience. So I would say uh, go for I mean, get experience, maybe in a small company or a big company. Initially, I always believe you should work to learn and then you should work to earn. At least for 1 or 2 years, doesn't matter how much you are getting paid. Even if someone says work for free, that's fine. Because initially, if you have that skill set, you can earn a lot in future. Trust me. Earning is not the most important thing in the life. What's important is how big you are. I mean, are you improving yourself? So start with smart, start small, and make it large. Yeah, that's what you do. Uh, and that's why people go for internship. They work for free. Maybe you can work for 1 year for free if there's no financial problem. That's what I would recommend. But don't give fake experience. It might affect their entire career. I have seen some people that got affected with this. Not everyone get affected. Okay, maybe 50% they feel comfortable with a fake experience. I don't feel good about it. How to identify fake developers with fake experience? Ask about the last project. If someone is faking their experience, ask about their projects. And if they are not able to talk about their projects, that means they don't have experience. Okay, and they don't even know how corporate culture works, right? So talk about corporate culture with them. If they can answer corporate culture questions, then of course they have experience. Uh, Language important for web development. Which language? Depend. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend we can use PHP, Ruby, Python, Java, C Sharp, C Sharp with ASP. HTML, JavaScript will be good for development. Yeah, that's great. That's how are you? I'm good, Manoj. Yes, you are live. Yes, I'm live. Kinshu says big fan, sir. Oh, thank you so much. Everyone says hi, hi. Oh, RK channel says why you always speak in English. The thing is, this channel is a global channel, right? This is not just for India. Even in India, we have some states where they don't understand English, Hindi. So I thought, and there's a debate. People are saying Hindi is not a national language and all those stuff. So English is the best thing for everyone because everyone understands English. Now, people who don't know English, I would say learn English or improve yourself because you don't have a choice. If you're getting into IT, if you are getting into IT, you don't have a choice. You cannot write a programming language in Hindi because we don't have that yet. In case if you want to make a programming language in Hindi, that's great. If I can learn that and if I can teach that, of course I will teach that language in Hindi. But all the programming languages, they are English, books in English, documentation in English, good tutorials in English. Okay, so if you go to, let's say, Plural site or any website where you have all the tutorials, they're in English. I'm not saying you should not be learning in Hindi. It's just that even if you're learning some technology in Hindi, at some point you have to go to learn in English. Yeah. So that's my thought. In fact, I have another channel where I speak to my audience in Hindi. You can go to Navin Reddy. So nothing bad with Hindi. I can speak Hindi well. Even I prefer Hindi when I talk to humans, when I talk to my family, my friends, or everyone I prefer Hindi language there. But YouTube is not a platform where Hindi is preferable. I mean, the audience which we have. So we have global audience. We have audience from South. They don't want to. They don't. I mean, they're not comfortable in Hindi. So that's fine. Okay, please come to Nainital, Uttarakhand. Sure, sure. So this year I'm planning to make a lot of meetups. Especially I'll be doing some meetups in South because I'm going to South in next 3 to 4 months. Maybe Bangalore, not Chennai, Bangalore. That's my spot. Maybe Delhi. Delhi I'll be visiting. So let's see. Nice to see you, sir. Hey, hi Ashok. Great. So Dilip says, big fan of you. Oh, thank you so much. How to get first Java job? That's difficult. Okay, so don't search a job as a Java developer. Search for a job to work on the enterprise work. Yeah. So join any big company. You might be getting a Java job there for sure. So all big companies they prefer Java. So like enterprise projects are building Java. So you can go with that. So Anirudh says hi champ. Oh, that's a new word for me. Champ. Thank you. Jadu. Yeah, take that. Arman says you never respond to my emails. Is it? Send me an email once again. Let me check. The problem is I get so many mails in per day. Sometime I see that email. I think I will reply that later. But we have a pile of emails there, so I sometimes I miss some emails. Big fan. Okay. When are you coming to Mumbai? When are you coming to Mumbai? I'm in Mumbai. I'm a Mumbaiker, so I live in Mumbai always. Um, so yeah. So Can you make a campus placement? No, a video on campus placement. Okay, we'll think about it. But teaching, you teach very well. Thank you so much. Should I go for Python? And what is go for Python? Python is a very good language. It's the easiest language to learn. And for machine learning, everyone prefers Python at least to learn machine learning, because machine learning is not about programming. It's about how can you understand machine and how can you explain something to machine, how a machine should think. And we can use any language there. There are some libraries available for different languages. But if you're learning machine language, language is not a barrier for you. But if you don't know language, I would say go for Python because it's the easiest language to learn. If you go for Java, you have to learn two things: machine learning and Java. It will take a lot of time. So that's why. Okay, so next 5 minutes. So Vakas says, I'm seeing you first time live. You have done a lot of videos, helped a lot of people. Oh, thank you so much, Vakar. So yes, my aim is to help as many people as possible. So my ultimate aim is, the thing is, when you okay, so the ultimate aim is when I go for corporate training, I feel some people, they are not up to the mark to join a company. I mean, they know a lot of things, but they don't know things which are actually in use in the industry. So they know a lot of languages, but they don't know how to implement languages. Yeah. And even if they know languages, what they know is the basics of language. Some people think writing hello world code in any language make you a programmer. That's not the case. You cannot be a programmer just writing hello world, just writing calculator, and just by printing Fibonacci series. If you want to be a developer, if you want to be a programmer, build something. I'm not saying it should be very unique, but build something from scratch. Something where you know what you have to build, but you don't know how to build it. And when you build it, that's how the learning curve, right? So that's my aim, to teach people how to make softwares. Or not just making software, but how to solve a problem, how to solve a real life issues with virtual world solutions. So I'm trying my best to do that. I don't know how successful I am. Uh, Please create a meetup in Delhi. I was sure. I'm trying to go to Delhi for some training, so I will do that. Okay, my location is Bangalore. Okay, so sure, I will try to come to Bangalore as well. Okay, so which is better to go, AngularJS or Hibernate? They are two different things. Hibernate is for database world or to connect with database, and AngularJS is for the view technology. Depending upon requirement, if you want to be a backend developer, if you want to work on Spring framework with databases, of course, Hibernate is the best option. But if you want to be into front-end development, go for AngularJS. Or maybe learn both. You can be a full-stack developer. Okay, collab. Oh, yeah, I'm planning to do more collabs this year. So last time I did collab with Saurabh Shukla, My Surgery. This time I'm planning to do some collabs with some other YouTubers. Let's see how it goes. Because collab is a good thing, you can actually share your knowledge with other YouTubers. They can talk about their things with you, and that's a good way of sharing knowledge, right? Uh, let's see how we can, in fact, when I get some mails from YouTube, they talk about collabs as well. So let's do it. It's just that I'm not able to find people in Mumbai who can do collabs. So let's see how thing goes. It's lagging. Oh, is it? I don't know. Little lag. Okay, that's fine, I guess. So Suraj says, "Hey, I'm in Mumbai. Oh, that's great. So see you tomorrow if you're available. Provided you are not busy with your job, you're not busy with your, uh, you know, uh, with your college. Of course, we can meet. And if you're not busy with something else, so if you're available, we can surely meet tomorrow. Please change the time. Tell me the time which you're comfortable. I will try to make it. Okay, all the things are same questions repeated. Okay, which place for programming? Okay, lagging here. Okay, questions just went up. Is Selenium good now? Of course it is good. It's one of the best testing tool available. Okay, where are the questions? Where are the questions? Okay, everything went up. Please, data structure problem logic take too much time. Is it normal? Oh, making data structure. Yeah, initially it takes time. It's not. And initially it will always take some time to do the data structure problem solving. But you need a lot of practice to be proficient in that. Ahmedabad, surely. Okay, next week I'm also visiting Ahmednagar. Let's see if we can do a small meetup there. I don't know how many people are watching this from Ahmednagar here. Okay. How can I contact you when you arrive at Vashi station? I'm a Khaga. Can you meet me at Khaga? Okay. So what we can do is once I reach Vashi station at 2 p.m., I will share my GPS location, my location on my Facebook page. I don't know if it is possible to share GPS location, but I will try. And I will also go live there on Vashi station. I will show where I'm standing, so you can meet me there. I'm doing this for the first time, I don't even know how to do meetups. Surely, okay, okay. It's not a bad thing to confess, but then yes, I don't know how to do meetup. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing that. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you can help me how to do a good meetup. Okay, which is better to learn, Kotlin, Java? I would say start with Java because Kotlin is specific to it is currently used in Java in Android a lot, but Java is used everywhere, right? Start with Java, then you can learn Kotlin very easily. Oh, okay. So last question, and then we'll sign off. Again, I will go live in the evening, but then on different channel. I don't know if you know about it. I have another channel which is Navin Reddy. That's my personal channel. I will go live there as well. So in the evening, around I don't know, the timing is not fixed. Maybe 8 9. Uh, okay. So we'll go live there as well. Okay, so what made you learn for coding? So initially, I did my graduation in IT itself, in BSc IT, uh, but I was not much interested in programming because of the syllabus, the way people teach programming. I used to hate it. But then I started going to different competitions, inter-course competition, where I started competing with them. That's how I joined. That's how I learned programming. Okay, so Gaurav says collab with Hitesh Chaudhary. Oh, surely. I have seen some of his videos way back. Let's see. We'll try to do a collab with him. Maybe if he's agrees. Let's see. We'll try to connect with him after February because I'm busy till February this time. So let's do a collab surely. But I don't know where he is. Because I'm trying to make a face-to-face collab instead of online collab because I tried to do online collab but it's not working. Let's see where is he. So let's see. We'll try to connect with Hitesh Chaudhary. That's a good suggestion. I've seen his videos. Uh, okay, we'll try. Okay, so that's great. So that's it. Oh, Gaurav says Jaipur. What Jaipur? Meetup in Jaipur, is it? Okay, I've never visited Jaipur. Oh, okay, he is from Jaipur. Oh, Hitesh Chaudhary. That's great. Then that's a good thing then. But then how will we? Okay, let's see. I will send him an email. Let's see how the thing goes. If he's available, he's let's see. Oh, okay. So what does Telusko means? Telusko means get to know. So it is basically a Telugu word which means get to know. It's all about knowledge, right? So that's it. That's it from this video, everyone, or this session, this live session. I hope you enjoyed that. Click on the like button. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I will do live once again in the evening on the other channel, not on this channel. Uh, so that's it. See you tomorrow, everyone. If you're in Mumbai and if you want to have a meetup, let's meet. Let's discuss some ideas. You can help me with some creativity things. So basically, I'm doing this meetup just to meet with you people, just to see you face to face because you can see me, I cannot see you, right? Uh, that's why I'm doing this meetup. So let's see. That's it. See you in the next session. Send you the next live session or see you in the next videos. Okay, so bye bye everyone. It's time for lunch. Bye bye.